Well, here we are. A lovely day.
On our day off.
Just fixing my bike. We just put on my new exhaust on my bicyclette. There she is. Looks like a little rocket coming out of the arse. But yeah.
Out on the bikes today on our day off, I think. Going for a nice little ride.
These are our toys.
Our little toys, yeah. So we're going to finish fixing Peter's bike and then go out for a ride for the day. So looking forward to it. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Now you need to pull the chain over the sprocket. Fun and games fixing a motorbike.